Hey, sugar traders! Welcome back to Ajayastra Money Guru, your go-to channel for all things commodities. Today, on the 8th of May 2024, we are diving deep into the sweet world of sugar, where ICE raw sugar futures are making headlines with some significant gains. But what's fueling this rise? Let's break it down. ICE raw sugar futures have been on a steady climb, and it's all about global supply concerns. Recent weather woes in key sugar-producing regions have sparked worries about output, sending prices up. Excessive rains in South America and dry spells in Southeast Asia are putting pressure on production. Reports indicate a decline in sugar production in India, while Brazil grapples with heavy rains and floods. In Brazil's center-south region alone, production for the upcoming year is forecasted to be slightly lower, adding to supply worries. According to industry experts, the global sugar market is anticipated to have a slight surplus in the upcoming season, but the outlook for Brazil remains uncertain. Now, let's talk about what all this means for traders. With hot weather threatening crops in Thailand and dry conditions persisting in Brazil, the market is feeling the heat. Record high temperatures in Thailand have raised concerns, while the closure of Indian sugar mills is adding pressure to the supply chain. But amidst all these uncertainties, some analysts like those at Citi are maintaining their forecast for a deficit, projecting prices to remain in the range of 22 to 25 cents per pound next quarter. However, despite the recent price decline driven by expectations of improved supplies, there's still optimism in the market. Bargain buying has emerged, indicating underlying confidence in the long-term trajectory of sugar prices. Beyond the usual suspects, other players in the sugar market are making waves too. Vietnam's sugar production exceeded earlier estimates, while Ukraine is facing challenges with its sugar export quota. Speculators are also closely watching market dynamics, with data showing an increase in net short positions in raw sugar. So, there you have it, folks. The sugar market is as sweet as ever, but with a pinch of uncertainty. Stay tuned to Ajayastra Money Guru for more updates and analysis on all your favorite commodities. Until next time, happy trading.